4.5 years and still no resolution in the fraud and money laundering case against former Secretary of State Rebecca Vigil-Girón. It's already cost taxpayers hundreds of thousands of dollars, and now Girón's attorney has filed yet another motion to dismiss. News 13's Diana Sauceda has the latest on the story.
These are the voter education ads at the center of the fraud case against former Secretary of State Rebecca Vigil-Girón. Back in 2007, an investigation was launched looking into the $6 million that came from a federal program called Help America Vote Act. A 2008 federal audit couldn't account for half of that money and how it was spent. That led to a state indictment for Vigil-Girón and several others. Since then, there have been dozens of motions from Vigil-Girón's attorney, and that has been costly for the state.
There's been a year's worth of time of a couple of lawyers who are getting paid on the order of plus or minus $80,000 a year, plus investigators. I mean, I'd say it's been a few $100,000 that we've spent on the Rebecca Vigil-Girón case.
Attorney General Gary King was on the defensive. In mid-March, a district judge ruled that King's office had a conflict of interest and had to find a new prosecutor by June 17th. He says his office has put aside $200,000 to hire that special prosecutor, but it hasn't happened yet.
Ads have been placed under the Procurement Act to hire the lawyer. And so, I'm hopeful that the judge will look at all those things and recognize that we're sort of moving forward at a pace that's appropriate.
Earlier this week, Vigil-Girón's attorney filed a motion to dismiss, and citing several delays and extensions requested by the AG, Vigil-Girón gave us this statement over the phone. This is an abomination. The judge ordered the AG to have a special prosecutor in place by June 17th, not a process to find a special prosecutor. Right now, a court date to hear this latest motion to dismiss has not been set. Diana Sauceda, KRQE News 13.
Now, in March, a federal investigation was launched also looking into possible misuse of federal funds by Vigil-Girón.